Robbo, what are you doing, Rob? You shit-faced again. Look at you. Fucking mongrel cat. You're blind. You left half a can of gold there. What are you doing? Hey? Are you awake? You're not going to vomit, are you? Smashed. Smashed, bruh. Smashed. You're going too hard too early, son.